For this experiment, you will need an odd number of clear cups or glasses, water, some napkins or paper towels to connect the cups to each other, and some different food colorings. I filled every other glass with water. The glasses in between are empty and will be receiving water from each of their neighbors. I have red, yellow, and blue food coloring. I'm going to add about 5 drops of each color, red into this, yellow into this, and blue into this. Be careful working with food dye because this food coloring or food dye could potentially stain things. So 5 drops of red, yellow to this, blue into the last one. Taking a paper towel or a napkin, fold it into a long strip that can form a bridge between 2 neighboring cups, and this bridge is where the water will flow through. As I put the first one in, liquid is already flowing up. That's due to capillary action inside of the paper towel or napkin are little channels or spaces that liquid can flow through. The liquid can stick to the inside of the channels because it's attracted to it, kind of like climbing up. And as it climbs up, it pulls more of the other water and food coloring with it. The reason why the liquid is flowing up over this bend and into the next cup is due to the capillary action of the liquid climbing up and pulling more liquid with it, and also because of the difference in gravity between the level of the liquid in the cup here and the bottom of the napkin, which is down here. Even though the water must start to flow upward against gravity to get over this bump, it'll end up flowing from a higher place to a lower place. So this process will take hours to fill up these empty cups. So we'll just let this sit and come back later. One thing to think about is what color the water in these empty cups will be. So red and yellow will combine, and what color will they make there? And then the blue and yellow will combine into this, and what color will they make in this empty cup? This has been going for almost 6 hours now. The liquid levels are about equal with each other. Once the levels are all equal with each other, the flow will essentially stop because there's no potential difference of gravity between the two to draw it one way or the other. The cups that started out empty now have new colors. This had the red and the yellow combined to make an orange. This one, which started out empty, is now green, a combination of the blue and the yellow that flowed in. You can repeat this with fewer cups or more cups and different combinations of colors too, to see what other you can get. For example, what would blue and red have combined to make if we chose to put an empty cup between those two. Thank you for watching.